Imagine you're part of an IT team and you find yourself suddenly flooded with incident tickets. In a traditional setting, you'd be manually triaging these tickets, working in silos, and constantly reacting to fires. You'd struggle with delayed responses, limited visibility, and the inability to spot underlying patterns. As these tickets pile up, your team becomes overwhelmed, missing critical connections between incidents. You're stuck in a cycle of firefighting, unable to step back and see the bigger picture. Well, that's where AI comes in to save the day. Let's explore an example tool called ServiceNow's Predictive Intelligence within the IT Operations Management module. ServiceNow uses AI-powered service operations to automate incident triage. Here's how it works. As tickets come in, ServiceNow's predictive intelligence driven by machine learning algorithm analyzes them in real time. It identifies similar impact incidents and groups them together using natural language processing to understand the ticket's content. The AI then recommends actions such as opening a major incident based on severity and impact of the group tickets. This AI-driven automation helps you quickly identify major issues without manually sifting through hundreds of tickets. It's like having a super smart assistant that never sleeps and continuously learns from your organization's incident history. Now let's talk about incident grouping. ServiceNow's ITOM event management, enhanced by AI, is a game changer here. It uses advanced correlation algorithm to combine related alerts from various sources into a single event. This AI-powered consolidated view makes it easier for your team to troubleshoot complex issues. It even integrates alerts from other vendor solutions using machine learning to understand the relationship between different systems. Think of it as AI connecting the dots between seemingly unrelated incidents to reveal a bigger picture far faster and more accurately than a human could. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Predicting issues before they become a major problem. ServiceNow's Health Log Analytics, also known as HLA, uses AI and machine learning to continuously monitor logs for anomalous behavior. It can detect unusual patterns in log volume or content, often before traditional monitoring tools raise alerts. It does it by learning what normal looks like for your systems. This AI-powered early warning system gives you a head start in addressing potential issues. Imagine having an AI that can predict and prevent a service outage before it even happens. That's the power of AI-driven predictive analytics. Now let's put this into context. Your service desk operator notices a spike in tickets. ServiceNow's AI groups these tickets and suggests opening a major incident. Simultaneously, your IT operation team sees critical alerts in the operator workspace. The AI-driven system correlates these events and provides a unified view of the problem instead of hundreds or even thousands of tickets and issues. What are some of the potential benefits of using AI for incident management? First, scale and speed. AI can process vast amounts of data and identify patterns far faster than any human team. Second, continuous learning. AI systems improve over time, learning from each incident to become more accurate and efficient. Third, reduced human error. AI doesn't get tired or distracted, ensuring consistent analysis 24/7. Fourth is predictive capabilities. AI can identify potential issues before they occur, something that's extremely difficult for humans to consistently do. Fifth, we have complex pattern recognition. AI can spot correlations and patterns across multiple systems that might be invisible to human observers. By leveraging AI-powered capabilities, you're not just fighting fires, you're preventing them from starting in the first place. You're moving from a reactive to a proactive IT management approach, which means less stress, more efficiency, and happier end users.